Wu Shunqing and his team try again and again to restore the bamboo to its original color, hoping to find an effective agent.
脱色主要的就是一个氧化还原过程，还原成原来的颜色。
Their surface is blackened by oxidation, and their inner structure is very fragile.
它就是保水的，一般的都在3%或者高的在5%左右吧，都在。所以这是么开的，就是说里面所有的木头都已经腐烂的，全部这个支撑是用水来支撑的。
Most of the slips unearthed in Marquis Haihun's tomb are 23 centimeters long, 5 millimeters wide, and 2 millimeters thick. If they were stored in a natural environment without being processed, their inner structure would collapse due to dehydration, and they'd end up in slivers like toothpicks. The experts would lose the opportunity to study their inscriptions. The chemical expertise of Wu Shunqing's team comes into play again. They use ethyl alcohol and higher alcohol to replace the moisture in the bamboo. It's a long process. After 1 year or more, the slips soaked in the chemical solution will be stabilized. The blackened bamboo slips can be restored to their original color, and the waterlogged slips can also return to their original shape.